Hey guys, if you want peace of mind knowing that your family is safe, this carbon monoxide alarm 3-pack is a no-brainer. Just put the battery in and you've got instant protection in multiple rooms. No complicated setup is required. These alarms detect carbon monoxide, which no matter where they're placed, you have protection, so you don't have to stress about finding the perfect spot. And if the CO2 level ever gets dangerous, you'll hear a loud, clear alarm to alert you right away. There's a test and like a reset button to make sure that it's working properly. For full protection, it's a good idea to have one in each level of your home and in every bedroom. Better safe than sorry. These alarms are also rigorously tested to meet top safety standards, so you know you're getting something reliable. Honestly, it's a very small investment for such a huge peace of mind.